This is the last vlog from the Goa series, and in this vlog we will be showing you the various food items that you should have when in Goa. So it's needless to say the food varieties that you get in Goa, they are abundant, especially along with their Goan cuisine. It's a food haven's paradise. I'm sure your palate will be bursting with flavors and you will be craving to eat more and more as you go on. So it's needless to say that when it comes to Goa, it is a food haven's paradise. Let's sit down and start a mouth-watering journey ahead. The first place which I will show you is an Italian restaurant near Vagator named as Ciao Bella. This restaurant is one of the best in Goa to have some Italian dinner, and it generally runs full. Due to COVID, we didn't have much crowd and we got a place just by walking in, which is usually not the case, and you will get a 30-40 minutes wait time.
It's quite nice. It's creamy, it's flavorful, and let me just have it with that bacon. This bacon is like probably the best bacon that I would have ever had.
Besides having some Italian here, if you are craving for some thin crust pizzas, do visit Tomatoes at Candle Inn. Surprisingly, the pizzas were heavenly and I hadn't expected it to be this good. It had lots of cheese in it and was a delight for us to gorge.
पिज़्ज़ा तो था बहुत मस्त यार, मज़ा आ गया खा के. पेपरोनी पिज़्ज़ा एंड उसका टोमेटो चीज़ पिज़्ज़ा. इट हैड lots and lots of cheese in it.
Next up is this authentic Goan restaurant in Calangute. Probably one of the only reasons that I will visit Calangute is to eat some heavenly Goan food in this place. Suza Lopo is a beachside restaurant which also offers an indoor seating. Besides having such a world-class ambience, the Goan food here is super and also reasonable.
First dish here is prawn breciado. I'll try it. It's all red in color. The prawn flavor is coming out very nicely. That's there, and the spice in it is really nice. It's a little tangy, I would say. There's lots of masala put into it, and it has a sauce added to it, so it has that saucy and a tangy flavor to it. And to go with it, they have given some French fries. So the next dish is rice and chicken zakuti. So chicken zakuti, as I told, is a nice spicy gravy. So I will take some rice and I will put some cool chicken zakuti gravy on top of it, and I will heat up one. There's a lot of this that they have given here. Like, this is too much of a gravy for one person to eat. I guess this one bowl of rice and one bowl of chicken zakuti is enough for two people here. Perfect zakuti, as expected. The blend of spices is very good. That one is a tangy one. This is not tangy. This is outright spicy. I mean, it's not very spicy. But you will get all those flavors bursting in your mouth. Nice spices flavor. Break the chicken bone. Take the chicken out of the bone, mix it well along with the rice and gravy, and have it. Awesome flavor. This is a must try for you. Have chicken zakuti, come to this.
One more thing which you shouldn't miss in Goa is to eat some golden fried prawns. It is a must have if you like seafood. You can literally get this dish almost in any shacks among the many in Goa, and I'm sure you won't regret having it. Moving on to some good breakfast. Goa is famous for some classic and very tasty breakfast cafes, but there is nothing as good as Baba Our Room. If you are looking for some French food and especially the crunchy European croissant,
Just a plain butter croissant. But what was special about this croissant was that this croissant was crunchy and baked to goodness. Like, your heart will melt. Like, I have had croissants in lots and lots of places, but the croissant which I find here in Baba Our Room has no comparison till now. I have had croissant in Australia as well, but they are also not even that good. This croissant had that perfectly baked flavor along with that crunchy goodness, and when you put that butter inside and have it, it's like jeep lapapai wala taste.
Along with this, you can definitely have some ice cold slush
And the best thing about the strawberry slush was that they gave some original strawberries into it. Get those chunks of strawberry coming into our mouth, and if you are a strawberry lover, that is heaven. In this heat, it had no added flavor like sugar or anything. It was just strawberries, pure raw strawberries.
And their classic Eggs Benedict. There's plenty more stuff at this place, and for sure, this cafe is not to be missed when in North Goa. Now, getting done with the fancy food items, if you want to have some real village style local Goan food, head over to one of those spice plantations where they serve some lip smacking, varied range of local Goan meals with a buffet all you can eat concept. They have some really good chicken curry and fish fry, all made from the homegrown spices. Visit the region of Ponda to have a visit at these spice plantations and taste this amazing food.
बस थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी ज़्यादा है, लेकिन मतलब ये जो रेस्टोरेंट में जैसा दाल मिलता है ना, वैसा नहीं, थोड़ा होमली टाइप का यहाँ के स्पाइसेस से। एक तो सुबह से भूख लगी हुई थी, इतना ट्रैवल करते करते आ रहे ना, ये खाने का मज़ा ही अलग सा आ गया। एक चीज़ यहाँ पे अलग देखा, रोटी नहीं दे रहे, ब्रेड दे रहे। नेक्स्ट ऑन आवर लिस्ट इज द चिकन करी अलॉन्ग विद सम जीरा राइस विद करी। इट्स नाइस, एकदम विलेज स्टाइल का मस्त स्पाइसी चिकन करी है। इसके साथ साथ इनके पास फिश फ्राई भी है। मैं तो फिश उतना खाता नहीं हूँ, इसलिए मैंने लिया नहीं।
We went around a few local shops of Goa, local bakery products खरीदे हैं, कुछ खाएंगे, उसको टेस्ट करेंगे और देखेंगे कि वो कैसा, कितना अच्छा और कितना अलग टाइप का डिशेस हो। वेज पफ, चीज़ पफ। द फर्स्ट डिश ऑन द मेन्यू इज प्रॉन पफ्स, प्रॉन पैटीज। एकदम क्रिस्पीनेस, सुन रहे हो उसका क्रिस्पीनेस कितना ज़्यादा क्रिस्पी है, मस्त सा यार, एकदम एक नंबर। लुक एट दिस, इट हैज़ सम प्रॉन फिलिंग इनसाइड। ऑनियंस है, ऑनियंस का फ्लेवर आ रहा है अलॉन्ग विथ वन प्रॉन, आई गेस दे पुट इट, तो वो सी फूड का फ्लेवर भी आ रहा है। ऑनियंस एंड सी फूड मिक्स, मतलब स्टर फ्राई किया हुआ है प्रॉन को ऑनियंस के साथ, एंड दैट इज़ द फिलिंग इन दिस पैटी। हाँ, द नेक्स्ट डिश विच आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम दैट बेकरी इटसेल्फ, उसने बोला इट इज़ पायरा। मैं प्रोनाउंस कर रहा हूँ या नहीं पता नहीं, सही है या नहीं, आप लोग बताना नीचे कमेंट्स में मेंशन करो कि इफ़ इट्स द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन और नॉट, और इज़ इट कॉल्ड समथिंग डिफरेंट। सो दिस इज़ द लोकल गोन डिश दैट वी गॉट। ब्राउनिश कलर का डिश है ये। It's basically like a sweet or something like that. Yeah, it's a different kind of taste. The guy said it's made with amrood, I guess, or amrood kind of flavor, but हाँ, point is correct. अमरूद का ही टेस्ट आ रहा है इसमें, तो शायद अमरूद से बनाया हुआ स्वीट है ये, एंड लिटिल बिट टैंगी एंड स्वीट, दैट्स द फ्लेवर ऑफ इट। मतलब अमरूद को अगर चपटा करके बर्फी बना दिया जाए तो कैसा लगेगा, एकदम उसी तरह का फ्लेवर। With this guys, I end up this vlog with all the different types of food items which you should eat in Goa. I hope you liked it. You can reach out to me if you want to know more about these items, and do hit the like button if you like this video about all the food items, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that helps us keep motivated and making these different travel videos. Thank you guys.